We're here at the booth of Bitchin' Bodies Custom Painting. Let's see what it's all about. So what do you guys got here going, man?
What's going down, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Kenny with Bitchin' Bodies, located in Reno, Nevada. I do custom painted RC bodies, any scale, hard body, polycarbonate, 3D printing bodies is now available. So that's something new to the market that I'm really excited about. And yeah, we're just out here hustling.
How can we get a hold of you? How can we get, if I wanted something painted, do I go on Instagram? You got a phone number?
I'm working on a website, but currently Instagram is the only way. So it's Bitchin' Bodies. First I is a 1, so it's B1 Bitchin' _ Bodies _ 775.
Great.
So that's my main source. So if anybody wants an estimate or a price quote or anything like that, send me a message. I'll give you guys a quote, and yeah, happy to help.
Okay, great. Now, if I were to send you a body, what's the turnaround? I know you probably have a lot of customers.
Right.
What's an average turnaround so they can get their bodies back to them?
Usually between 3 to 5 weeks. Yeah, and so once a payment is received, payment gets you on the schedule, and then after that, it's just a matter of me starting it. And anything from, I mean, a solid color body could take a day, or multiple color lowrider could take 2 months. You know what I mean? So it's just a bounce back and forth. I work on multiple jobs at a time, but I try to keep everything consistent and quality over quantity.
Great,
you know
great,
I mean?
great. Also, you do like rust bodies. What type of work do you do as far as painting?
Anything and everything. If I'll paint planes, I'll paint dirt bikes, I'll paint boats. I've done it all. And just I paint them on the inside, I paint them on the outside. When it comes to rust jobs, I typically paint them on the outside so you can feel the texture. Gives it a more realistic vibe, like that one over there.
Got it.
Yeah, man, a little bit of everything. Mild to wild, basic, one color, or however many colors you want, or whatever, you know?
Okay. Now, does it matter if I have like a Lexan body? Does it matter if I have a hard body? What? I mean, is that trouble, or is that okay? Or
does not matter. For example, we have polycarbonate here. There's a 3D printed body. Like I said, it's a pretty new thing as far as being able to make unique bodies that other manufacturers, Proline and things like that, don't make. So with the 3D printing, we're able to do that. Those are painted on the outside. Yeah, I mean, I do it all, man. Mild to wild.
Great. We'll get everybody to hit you up on Instagram if you need to paint the bodies.
Yeah.
You know where to go. Bitchin' Bodies it is, man.
Absolutely.
Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you. Appreciate you, brother.
No problem.